Module 4, Self-Assessment. In this module, we're going to be talking about the downloadable Time Management and Life Management Assessment. You'll go to your Tools panel to download this assessment or click the link below to download it. This tool is broken into three segments: the Productivity Assessment, the Life Assessment, and any obstacles, problems, or challenges that you could face. As you complete this quiz, you will be given a score on each segment, and we are compiling that information to come out with specific solutions based on the information that you tell us. This is an example of a completed time management and life management assessment. So let's walk through this. As you go through any type of assessment, the point is to help you understand your own strengths and the challenges that you have. So step by step, you'll go through and answer the questions on a scale of 1 to 5. I have excellent time management skills. As an example, you may say that you have average time management skills. The next question, I often feel productive at the end of the day. It's on a spectrum of yes, I did, or no, I did not feel productive at the end of the day. As you go through the next segment, the life assessment, you'll begin to assess your purpose. Are you living your life in alignment with your priorities? Are you engaged in your work? Are you finding meaning and fulfillment? Again, we're just understanding and unlocking those things that are most important to us. In the third part of this, what challenges are you facing? Where are the areas that you could stand to improve your time management and life assessment? So as you go through this, you'll take a quick snapshot of where you are today, and then you can begin to determine where you'd like to be in the future.